Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your chat history on ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will see your history at the left side. Now, if you wish to clear your search history or your chat history, then click on the user icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now, within the settings page, you will see the delete all chats option. Go ahead and tap on this button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. After tapping on the confirm deletion option, all of your account history will be deleted and you will no longer see any of your previous chats at the left section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your conversation history on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.